main landing gear fix. In today's episode, I will attach landing gear to the fuselage. When landing, the gear experiences strong rotational moment which turns the gear backward. External brace can be added to prevent that rotation. However, that looks unattractive and adds drag, so today we'll try to brace it internally. I'm turning this aluminum rod to make a threaded bushing that will become a hard point for the gear mounting. I drill a hole adequate for 6mm bolt. Then I make some notches for the glue to achieve a mechanical lock. I tap the 6mm thread. And finally I file one side round so it fits nice around the tube. I set the gear to desired position. Then I mark where I want my bushings. Let me know if you think that 2 bushings are enough to withstand the turning forces. At last, I drill the holes and attach the bushings. The gear goes back in and it's ready for glue. That's all for today and more coming soon.